There's some big news coming in. Here's a fiery fallout to all the celebrity tweet storm. Superstars are now in political crossfire as Maharashtra Congress chief has now threatened Big B as well as Akshay Kumar, saying that they won't allow them to shoot films. In fact, this comes even as the stars have spoken up against the alleged international propaganda against India over farmers' stir. Well, they put out those tweets. Here's a Maharashtra leader who says that stars will not be allowed to film their movies because they are not vocal enough about fuel hike. Now, that's his take. The Maharashtra leader says while stars can comment on international propaganda on farmers' stir, why can't they comment on fuel hike in the country? And almost a threat going out that their films will not be allowed to shoot. Let's take a listen.
आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बाजार में कच्चे तेल के दाम कम होने के बाद भी जिस तरह से डीजल पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ाकर गैस के दाम बढ़ाकर हिंदुस्तान की जनता के जेब काटने का महापाप भाजपा की नरेंद्र मोदी की सरकार जो कर रही है, आप क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं? अब अगर वो नहीं बोलेंगे या न्याय के विरोध में नहीं बोलेंगे तो हम महाराष्ट्र में अमिताभ बच्चन का शूटिंग, अभी अक्षय कुमार की शूटिंग या उनके पिक्चर भी रिलीज नहीं होने देंगे। ये भूमिका कांग्रेस लेंगी।
विदेश में बैठे हुए कुछ लोग षड्यंत्र के तहत भारतवर्ष को बदनाम कर रहे हैं। कांग्रेस उनके समर्थन में उतरी है। अब इन्होंने सीमाओं की हद पार कर दी। ये उन कलाकारों को रोकेंगे जो कलाकार मां भारती के साथ खड़े हैं। कांग्रेस के नेता कान खोल करके सुन लें, जो भी व्यक्ति या सम्मानित कलाकार देश के साथ खड़ा है, उसके साथ समूचा देश खड़ा है।
Let's quickly cut across to Pankaj Kelkar reporting from Mumbai. Pankaj, here's a warning of sorts coming in from the Congress chief in Maharashtra, asking if the superstars in Mumbai, including Akshay Kumar, he also mentions Amitabh Bachchan, if they had the will to comment on something like, the farmers' stir, where you had international celebrities commenting on it and they have the will to condemn that, why don't they have the same will to put out tweets condemning fuel price hike? Pankaj Upadhyay, go on.
That's right, Nabila. So just when it seemed that the entire controversy over the Bollywood stars tweeting in a certain fashion had died down, Congress leader, senior Congress leader, MPCC President Nana Patole has raked up this controversy yet again, saying that the Congress party will now no longer allow the film shootings of Amitabh Bachchan and Akshay Kumar, and that the Congress party in the days to come could also take a stand wherein they will not allow their releases as well. And now the justification given by Nana Patole is that during the Congress government in center, these very stars used to question the policies of the government with regards to inflation. But now he says that the international prices of the crude oil are on an all-time low, yet the prices of petrol, diesel and gas are at all-time high in the country. These stars are silent. He's asking the reason why. On the other hand, BJP has hit out at the Congress party, saying that this is not a crime. If a Bollywood star tweets in favor of the nation, then how can that be considered as a crime? And the BJP also says that all those people who've been conspirating against India, Congress party is supporting all those elements. Yet another important leader, Guardian Minister of the Mumbai City, Aslam Sheikh, I had a word with him a few moments back. He says that the government is still interested to find out whether all these film personalities under some sort of a pressure from the Bharatiya Janata Party to tweet in a particular fashion. Remember, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, a few days back had said that he would investigate this very matter, and after that there has been so much of outrage from various political parties and various social media groups who had said that this is invasion of the privacy and that the Bollywood stars reserve this right to tweet howsoever they want. But now Aslam Sheikh, Guardian Minister of Mumbai City, says that the government is still very much interested to find out whether and why the Bollywood stars had tweeted in a particular fashion and whether or not they are under some sort of pressure from the Bharatiya Janata Party to tweet in a particular fashion.
Absolutely.
Nabila.
Pankaj, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here are the superstars in the crossfire, political crossfire. On one hand, they commented on international propaganda over farmer steer, and here's the Congress asking why don't they show the same will to comment on fuel price hike in the country.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.